Happy World Environment Day, Kando School students. Globe. As we come together to celebrate World Environment Day in 2024, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible natural beauty that surrounds us in Ratnapura. From lush forests to crystal clear rivers, our hometown is truly a treasure trove of biodiversity. Seedling this year's theme, Restore Our Earth, calls upon each of us to take action and be stewards of our environment. Here in Ratnapura, we have a special responsibility to protect the precious ecosystems that make our region unique. This year's theme, Restore Our Earth. Wave Let's pledge to keep our rivers and waterways clean by reducing plastic pollution and practicing responsible waste management. Every piece of trash that we pick up is a step towards a cleaner, healthier environment for all. Happy World Environment Day, Kando School students. Shedding Tree, Globe Herb.
Hi Kando School students, Parishans and teachers. 2024 World Environment Day theme: Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience. The 2024 edition of World Environment Day will focus on land restoration, desertification and drought resilience, under the slogan, Our Land, Our Future. Let's promote World Environment Day theme of 2024 at Invitation from Winston Sir, S. Kando School.